Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today is March 17th, 2025, and we're looking at Bitcoin, ticker symbol BTCUSD. We're going to do some in-depth analysis using a mix of news and technical charts. Let's jump right into what's been happening. First, looking at recent headlines, there's a report from Forbes about Russia quietly preparing Bitcoin and crypto for a possible price surge, potentially linked to circumventing sanctions and using crypto in trades with China and India. We also see news regarding 21 shares liquidating some Bitcoin and Ether futures ETFs, signaling some market uncertainty. Remember to consider these events as we examine the charts. It's important to consider the potential impact of global events on Bitcoin's price action. Let's start with the daily chart to get a broader perspective. Examining the past few months, we can see a significant price surge followed by a recent correction. From the beginning of November of 2023 to today, we can see a bottom around $35,000 and a top around $73,000 as of March 13th of 2024. Zooming into the recent price action, we see a clear downtrend, highlighted by the red candles, suggesting a bearish sentiment in the short term. It appears Bitcoin is attempting to recover from some recent heavy dips. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart for a more granular view of recent price fluctuations. We see a lot more choppiness than the daily chart's correction, which indicates a battle between buyers and sellers. We can see that there's been a bit of recovery in the past hour, and it's trying to climb back up towards $70,000 again. Pay close attention to the volume on these hourly candles. Spikes in volume during upward movements could signify renewed buying interest, while high volume during downswings might suggest further selling pressure. Diving into the 15-minute chart gives us a very short-term perspective, helpful for identifying immediate support and resistance. Here on the 15-minute chart, we see even more shorter fluctuations in price than the hourly chart. This can be helpful for making quick swing trades and setting stop losses. If we analyze the smaller time frame, we can see Bitcoin reach multiple lower peaks, followed by the eventual drop to lower levels, indicating bear sentiment and bearish trends. It's struggling to climb back up right now, indicating possible resistance at the $67,000 to $68,000 range. Let's return to the daily chart to recap. Key support levels to watch are around $60,000 to $62,000. If Bitcoin breaks below this, we might see further downside pressure. On the upside, resistance lies near $70,000, a level it needs to decisively break to regain bullish momentum. Given the current market conditions and news events, here's an unbiased outlook. A continued downtrend to test the $60,000 support seems moderately likely. If the geopolitical and regulatory concerns intensify, this scenario could become more probable. However, a rally back towards $70,000 is also possible, especially if we see positive news flow or a weakening of the dollar. Traders should watch for high-volume breakouts and breakdowns to confirm these potential moves. Keep an eye on upcoming economic data releases and any further news from Russia or Trump's administration, as these could significantly impact Bitcoin's trajectory. Thank you for watching Explain the Charts, and we'll see you next time.